G'day, welcome back to Almost Legal Garage. Today we take my newly painted dirt circuit race car back to the track. And if you missed the last video of how I got my race car to look that good, the link will be in the description.
People training the field. Oh, look, me, they've all gone out. Brack's got it. Brackett's got it, Nathan's one of them. Oh, dear, oh dear. Oh, red flag. It's Brackett in the number 9. Followed by Dexter in the 33 car. Oh, beautiful slide around the last corner. There's Scott. No, oh, hang on. Alright, sorry about the short delay. We've got in the 15, followed by the 33. And it looks like we're all going rally cross there in number 50. I think that's Declan in the 33 car makes his way past the number 50 car who was running out on the side of the track. Followed by, I think it's the 188 car and then the 21. So they make their way around pit exit bend. We've got Scott in the 15 car doing a great job. He's got it sorted out this meeting. Got the big V8 under the bonnet and she's putting the horsepower to the ground. So we've got the 15. We've got Peter in the 33 there, the duck man. Followed by Declan in the 33, followed by the 50, followed by the 198, and then the 21 that I think should be 20. All you drivers in the pits, if you haven't got your right numbers on your car, you ain't getting points for that race. Just a warning. Alright, we've got the 15 car making the way around, followed by the 33. And then the 33. Well, that's confusing, 233s. So, goes across the 15 car in Scott, followed by the 33 in Duck, followed by the 33, followed by the 50, followed by the 198, and old Smoky Joe in the number 20. So we've got Scott in the number 15 car, making his way around, pit exit bend there, coming into the pit loop. So, Scott's coming around to get the white flag in the number 15 car, makes his way onto the main straight, bit of side-by action, followed by the duck man, Peter Duck in the 33. Followed by Declan in the 33 as well, followed by the number 50. Beautifully presented Commodore there. Followed by the 198. Followed by Smoky Joe in the number 20. Oh, that's not good. They check the oil in that one after every race. Probably going for about 3 litres a race. Yeah. I see the wind blowing you back there, Killer. I thought I'd hold you. All right, coming around to take the win. If he makes his corner nice and safe, which he has done, yes. Scott in the 15 car. Followed by the Duckman Peter in the 33 car. In the 88, as they get off to a good start. We've got the 88 making its way into the corner first, followed by the 15, and followed by the number 6, and Steve in the 26. Oh, look, we've got the 6s out again, the 6, the 26, the 66. We've got the 15 and the 88 out in front. Now we've got Jelly in the 88 car. There's 2 cars, they're both the same, and almost painted exactly the same. No, we've got Jelly in the number 88 car. He's banging around Brentwood Bend over the other side there, followed by Scott in the number 15, and we've got the number 6. Followed by Steve in the 26 and Kevin the 66. So the race is on from these first 3 out in front. Kevin's trailing the field. Oh, look, me, they've all gone out. The 2 of them followed each other off the other side of the track. I told them not at the driver's briefing, they're not to go out there unless they make their way around.
Wasn't that a fuck up? As I flicked it in to turn right around the corner, I had bumped my seatbelts. I have cam lock seatbelts in the car. And yeah, they come unbuckled as I turned the corner. I wasn't stuck or anything. I drove out. I was able to back it out and keep going after I buckled myself back in. But after I buckled myself back in, I was already 2 laps behind. So that ruined the race. Never mind, on to race 3. So race 3 comes along. And the car was going great. It was on the loose track. It was great. It was fine. As the track got harder, the car just did not want to turn. As you'll see in the next video, it just kept pushing the front tyres. It didn't matter what I did. Yeah, it wasn't pretty. At the end, I get pretty angry with it and put my foot on the floor, which I probably should have done throughout the race. Drove it sideways instead, but it just didn't want to turn. Just kept pushing the front tyres, and yeah, not my greatest efforts, but yeah, here we go.
Out in front, the 33 car. Alright, Connor in the number 9. Followed by Scott in the 15 car. They make their way down the straight. I'm surprised the 15 car didn't get off the line a bit quicker than the 6 cylinders, the old LS in the Commodore down there. Anyway, the race is on. Beautiful rainbow over there by Brentwood. Stay right over there because you do not want it here at the moment. It's cold enough as it is. Like I said, speaking of cold, pop down by the canteen and grab a drink and get even colder, then you can stand around the fire. Pop up to the canteen and grab something. Oh, there's a bit of going on over the other side of the track there. Everyone's doing a bit of army style as he makes his way around, which gives Connor room to get past him there. And how many tyres do you want to take out there, mate? Okay, and $5 a tyre, mate. I reckon that was about 4 there, so whoa, look out. Anyway, Connor out in front, the Magna in the number 9 car. This one's trying super hard as he does on. I think it's a bit over the line for the car at the moment now. Just back it down a little bit and these corners nice and steady, and his line will go a little bit quicker. They've got the 15 cars slowly catching them. But in the meantime, the number 9 car just pulled right out in front and going on his merry way. Across the line, followed by the 33, then the 15. And by the way, that's definitely oiled track. Apparently the subslope fell out. That's why the car stopped over the other side, so she won't be very healthy motor. So, chalk that one up for a thing. with the Magna. Oh, my Declan in 33 car, who smoothed it out a little bit and backed it down, is doing a way better job now. It's definitely catching Connor in the number 1 car, ever so slightly, but has done so far. Pulled in a good couple of car lengths on Connor there. So as they come around to complete another lap, they're going to come around to get the white flag with 1 lap to go. And it's not Connor, it's Bracken, by the way. My apologies to you guys. So, now Bracken, followed by 33. And then we've got the Commie coming around with Scotty in the number 15 car. I think he should have kept his orange car. Went a little bit better than that one. But that one does sound nice and look good, so why not? Got to try these things. I think the little bit extra power caught him a little bit off guard there with the new car. But looks good and going all right. Did 3rd spot after all. Coming around to get the checkered flag. Here's Bracken in the number 9. Followed by Declan in the 33 car. Oh, beautiful slide around the last corner. Scott, oh, hang on. And a little bit of a skid up the main straight and coming around.
What a disaster. So, went back to the pits and regrouped for the next race. Made a few small changes. Car still wasn't great, but it was definitely better. Able to keep it on the track and turn the corners. So, here we go. Race number 4.
Killer's got the green flag up. And they're off. There we go. I'll get a pretty even start. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh, Brad's trying to go up the inside, or Darren, whichever one's driving that. Onto the main straight they go. So they make their way around the pit bend. We've got the number 6, I'm going to say, here's the number 6 car, followed by Steve, the 26, and then the 55. So we've got the Duck Man, Peter Duck out in front, he's number 33. Followed by the 15, Scott. I think he went a little bit wide going around Brentwood Bend over there. Nothing between Michaela and the Magna. Magna's gone right around the outside. Can he do anything there? Michaela shuts the door and they make their way down the straight. They're so evenly powered, the Magna and the Commodore there. As they make their way around the pit sweeper over there. We've got we've got a Ding Dong race going for 3rd over there between the number 6 and the 808 car. Michaela's been pushing hard all day long, but she's held a line and done a perfect job all day. They have to go around the long way. She makes it hard for them. Tammany just rammed Steve straight up the Clack Road to the other side. They're obviously not watching where he's going. That might have put them both out. So down the main straight they go. Two black and green cars are having a rip snorter of a race. Michaela tries to hold it in tight and not give anybody else. Darren goes across the line with a flat tyre. Okay, so they can't look and take off these elbows outside. There's no point, no worry about anything over there. Top 4 here having a ring ding go. Michaela's holding off the number 6 car. She's gone out a little bit wide. Can she get the power down? As I said, the 2 cars are so evenly matched, there's absolutely nothing between them. The Magda tried to go out around the outside of McCullough over there, but she's a bit of a bump. Oh, she's gone out wide and lets the Magda through. So that's that for McCullough. She's dropped back to fourth. I can't see her catching the Magda somehow. But all right, holding him off, but Ash's trying to take him out. I don't think she'll be able to do that. But anyway, as I said, these top four going around. We've got the 33 car, followed by the 15. Followed by the 808 car, who's dropped off the pace a little bit. Let the Magda come through to catch these three out in front. So unless something happens to these three out in front, the car will be the four. So we've got Peter Duck out in front, the 33. Followed by the 15, then the 6, then the 808 car. As they make their way around, coming up to Brentwood Bend, there's nothing between these three out in front. Scott's gone out a little bit wide, but they can get through. Sort the Magda out, but anything's a surprise here. Coming into the last corner, anything can happen. They come onto the main straight. All as they go, 33, 15, 6, and the 808 car. Oh, Scott goes out wide after the race and spins. Lucky he did it after the race had finished. And we've got Steve stuck over the other side there after being hit fairly hard up the rear end by the 55 car.
So that's that. Another day of racing. Not too bad. Bit of a mixed bag. Got a first, a second, and a third. So the third race was 3 out of 3, but you know. But yeah, not too bad considering we were having issues with the car steering when the track got like packed down. It can always be better, but even a bad day at the track is still a good day. So yeah, we're pretty happy with it. So yeah, that video was filmed last year, like mid-year last year. So I still have a few up my sleeve. It's just taken a while for me to get them out. Having a lot going on at the moment, so we hopefully it won't be too much longer till the next video comes out. So no worries if you got this far. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment something, ask a question. Yeah. Cheers. Thanks very much.